Hello guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. So machine learning could be a big topic, especially if you are new to it. So if you are new to machine learning, this video is for you. If you have a little knowledge about machine learning, this video will help you to go deep into machine learning and get to know a bit more about the fascinating world of machine learning. So let's start the video. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning are buzzwords being heard daily on TV or in social media, in workplaces, in colleges, in schools, etc. Maybe you are a little bit embarrassed to ask what's the machine learning or artificial intelligence. Or maybe you have the wrong understanding of machine learning. It's totally fine. So it becomes easy to follow and understand in this video. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and it's about writing software codes to enable computers or machines to get better at a given task on their own without human interaction. So some people argue that machine learning is a fancy way to say statistical analysis, which is the science of collecting data and uncovering patterns and trends. So think about all the data being generated daily and how people try to make sense of it to make their lives better. That's called machine learning. For example, if someone steals your credit card and makes an online transaction, you will probably get an email or SMS from your bank asking to verify this transaction. Otherwise, the bank will consider it as a fraud. Your bank algorithms learn your credit card purchasing habits throughout your purchase history, and when out of the normal transaction was detected, the bank suspects it's a fraud. This is a form of machine learning, and probably it's a decision tree classification. Another example is that a car company trying to predict sales for next year based on this year's numbers and historical data. That's a form of machine learning and could be a linear regression which we have learned in mathematics. And also, based on your credit worthiness, sometimes a bank sends an offer to apply for a low interest loans or credit card, but doesn't send the same offer to your friend who doesn't have a good credit score. That's a form of machine learning that could be called as clustering. Finally, self-driving cars with automatic pilot roaming around the city on roads it never has seen before. That's a form of machine learning called reinforcement learning. There are many more examples of machine learning in our daily life, but we don't actually notice it. If machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, then what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the science of making computers behaving like humans in terms of making decisions and text processing, translation, etc. Artificial intelligence is a big umbrella that has machine learning and deep learning under it. Every machine learning algorithm is considered as artificial intelligence, but not every artificial intelligence algorithm is considered as machine learning. So, for example, Google Translation is based on artificial intelligence called natural language processing. The Amazon Alexa is based on multiple artificial intelligence services first to understand you and apply sentiment analysis and figure out what you said and search for an answer and come back with an audio replay. And also, the facial recognition on your smartphone is also an artificial intelligence using convolution neural network. And deep learning is a subset of machine learning that tries to mimic the human brain in terms of using neurons and layers to learn. In machine learning, you have to tell your algorithm what features to learn, but in deep learning, the features will be extracted automatically by the algorithm. So there are different types of machine learning. Machine learning can be divided into three categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So that's it guys for this video. In the next video, I will tell you what is supervised learning and unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. So if you find this video is informative, please like this video and share it to your friends, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos.